Hey guys, we are having an ice storm. So it happens a lot in the south. We don't get a lot of snow, we get a lot of ice. And with all the ice comes devastation. We're out of power. But I mean, you can see how thick that ice is. I don't even want to get by this tree. Really. They're like, it's really pretty, super dangerous, but I can see over there. Do got the generator out. I just turned it off kind of to make this video. But we got a heat lamp inside there with the ducks to try to keep them warm. And then let me show you some of my neighbors. Oh, the what do you call it? The gutter. It was well, starting to come down. So had to prop that up. All right, hang on. But we're keeping warm by the fire. So here's our little tree. I tried to break off some of the ice so it'll kind of stick back up, but there's my neighbor's tree. If you look back over here, I mean, that's just, it's crazy. Lots of people without power. You can hear generators all over the place. But if I can zoom in, yeah. And then like, like all that. That's just crazy. And we're supposed to get hit with some more like another hit of winter, like ice and stuff coming this evening. So we'll see how it goes. Like I said, you can hear all the generators going all over the place. I'm pretty sure they have one. I think they have one. They have one. This house over there, I'm pretty sure they have one. We normally get it for tornado. But yeah, whenever we get these ice storms, which comes about every 3 years or so, it seems like. Definitely need them for that. We'll just kind of look down here. Alright guys, we'll survive. Y'all keep us in your thoughts and prayers, and we'll keep on keeping on. Thanks for watching. See ya.